if you're not super specific on what you're gonna buy and where you're buying, you could lose money. So we don't do a lot of single family homes. Mostly we do multi-unit properties, we do commercial, we'll do industrial. And this doesn't change what our business model is already in our business model, that these factors are likely to happen. This is no different than what we were talking about in the past, where it's like everything that they said and they expect to happen is already what I thought was gonna happen. And they just brought a lot of clarity to the ways that they think it's going to come about, but it still fits the model, which I believe over the next 10 years is gonna be choppy waters. If you're not super specific on what you're gonna buy and where you're buying, you could lose money, even though in another neighborhood, in another city, in another state, they're making money. So when there's a recession, they talk about the average of the country having reduction in growth, but that's the average. That doesn't mean every part of the country has a reduction. So I believe in the next 10 years, it isn't gonna be like the past where you could just buy a mutual fund and the average is gonna take care of you. You might be up from the beginning of the decade to the end of the decade, but you're nominally gonna be down. That's my opinion, not financial advice. So with that, I believe you have to be really good at picking. If you can be a great picker and be very specific on who has a great business model, a well-run company, they're gonna still do well when others aren't. In 2008, rentals, properties tanked. I still made money, right? We still made money. But did we make less money than the roaring economy? Yeah. But we still made money when other people lost money. We kept all our properties when other people lost their properties. And I feel bad for the people that lost their properties, but if you're a fighter, this is what I call, we're going into a defensive investing strategy. So you have to be defensive. Now, there's offensive, in my opinion, my concept is there's offensive investing, which is what we've had basically post 2008, post 2011 to now. Basically, you're chugging along and you're working hard and you're trying to make all the money you can make, and there's not really many factors, you're just trying to score. And some people are trying to stop you a little bit, but you're trying to score.